from a Figma design project to the actual Android and iOS application. This is the best course that I have ever created. We are gonna build a complete e-commerce solution from scratch. And I mean truly from scratch. Together, we will design this UI in Figma and then bring that design to life with Jetpack Compose for Android and iOS, using Kotlin Multiplatform, of course. We will follow a clean multi-modular architecture with the MVVM pattern to keep this project scalable, maintainable, and production-ready. Our application will be a food supplements store featuring different products with various categories. And yes, we are building for a real-world usage. Some of the key features are user authentication, so user will be able to sign in with Google. Then we have a shopping cart feature, so each user will have an option to browse, select and add multiple projects to its own cart. Plus, some of the products will include further customization options like the flavors, for example. Then we have a checkout and payment options, so our application will have two different payment methods: Pay on delivery and Pay with PayPal. I'm gonna teach you how to implement a PayPal API to allow secure transactions for your customers. After a successful purchase, we will receive an automated email with some useful information about the actual products which have been ordered, the total price of that actual order, the payment method which was used in our application, as well as some useful shipping information from our customer as well. This application will also have a dedicated admin panel section where only admins or owners can access that section from this application, and from there the admin will have an option to update some of those information from existing products, create new products, or even delete the existing ones. As a backend for our project, we will use a Firebase, or more specifically, a Firebase KMP SDK. We will use Firebase Authentication, Firebase Firestore database with real-time updates, Firebase Cloud Storage to store all our product images, Firebase Cloud Functions to trigger those automated emails after the new order has been created, and Cloud Messaging to implement push notifications as well. This course has around 30 hours of a high-quality development content. Also, I didn't cut all those bugs, issues, and debugging moments. You will see everything, so that you can learn how to handle real development challenges. So if you are ready to take your skills to the next level, then let's get started.